Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete groups you have created for your Jira site. So let us dive right into it. So head over to your Atlassian account, click into Jira here to the left and select your Jira site. And inside your Jira site, what you want to do, guys, is let me go with that Jira site here. Wait for it to finish loading, and after that, guys, what you want to do is simply click into your profile icon in the top right corner and select account settings. Now here inside your account settings, click into these 9 dots in the top left and select administration. And inside your administration menu, guys, expand directory here on the left panel and head over to groups. Now here you'll see all groups within your Jira site, the one you're currently logged in. So you may go through these groups, and let's say you have created a couple of custom groups and now would like to delete them because you don't need them anymore. All we need to do is find it in your list here and click into these 3 dots here, or even better, click into the given group, and after that click into these 3 dots in the top right and now select delete group. Confirm that by clicking into this button. So let me do that really quickly, and that is going to delete the group, as you can see. And that's how it works, guys. You may also create new groups here if you like, or change their position, add users to a group, grant permission or access to them, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.